Hello everyone, welcome to Telusko Learning. This is Swapnil. I believe that Android Studio is installed in your system. Also, Genie Motion has been configured. If it is not, then just comment below. I will make another separate video. Or if you're facing any issues while installing Genie Motion, then just simply comment. I will make another video that how to install and configure Genie Motion and Android Studio. Okay, so as you can see that I have already created a new project that is Hello World, and just now I just clicked on Genie Motion icon. I have just started that Genie Motion. Okay, the virtual device. Okay, so you can see Genie Motion for personal use here. You can click on, if I click on start, it will start the phone. If you want to add a new phone, you can go ahead, you can click on add, and after clicking add, it will ask you that what APIs you wanted. You want Nexus something, you want which APIs 14, 17, 18, 19, all are available here, so you can design any. So currently I have already created one default virtual device, okay, which is 4.4 KitKat. So I'll just cancel it. I will click on start, okay, whenever I need. Currently I just wanted to show you that how to work with Genie Motion. Okay, now I will show you something called as Android Studio. So in Android Studio you can see we have like many different panels and palettes available. So you can see that this is something, here you can see all project structure is available. Okay, and here your layout is available. Also you can see two tabs, text and design. When you click on text you get XML, when you click on design you'll get UI. Okay, in the same way here also, if you click on design you'll get UI. If you click on text you'll get the XML code. Okay, uh, what why XML? Just to design UI in Android, XML is default which is used. Okay, so you should have a little bit understanding of tags and all. Okay, you can also design UI by dragging and dropping. Like this is my main activity, this is my design. Here you can see the hello world. Okay, so from palette you can select layout, like in which layout you wanted to design. Also from widget you can select any widget like text button, small button, radio button, checkbox, switch button, toggle button. There are many available. Okay, from text field you can select anything like what do you say, name, mobile number, password field, whatever. So there are many options available in palettes. Okay, so you can drag and drop, simply drag and drop in your device screen. Okay, so now I wanted to show you something which is important, like manifest. So Android manifest.xml, as I told you in Android building blocks, this is something which binds everything. Okay, this is very important file. Also you can see there is a Java folder. In Java there is a com.swapnil and there is a main activity.java. This is the Java class. Okay, so whatever logic you have to write here. In resource directory, if you go, you'll go to layout. You can see content main.xml, also activity main.xml. Actually Marshmallow has released, so in Marshmallow they have changed something, they have added many features. So before that, if you like before Marshmallow, if you're developing any application for what do you say, lollipop or KitKat or anything, so you'll get we used to get only activity underscore main XML, but now they provide content main XML also. So for now, just for safe, I'm deleting it. You will see that what is impact, is it impacting or not. So I will click on delete anyway. Okay, I will go to activity main.xml. So again I will go to text. Okay, this they by default they are providing toolbar and all. So I will simply select this. I will delete this also. Okay, I don't want this also. I don't want floating button also. So I will simply say shift and delete. Okay, and I will save it. Go to design. Now I can see blank screen. Okay, now again I will go to my activity.java. I will just do some cleanup. I don't want this floating button. I remove this. I don't want this toolbar also. Default toolbar which Android has provided. I just wanted to. I want this set content view r.layout.activity_main. What it says it, like whenever you will execute, so it will go to r, that is resource, then it will go to layout, then it will go to layout, and then whatever you have written here, it will just display that screen. Okay, so now in my activity main XML, I will simply say, I will simply select a plain text view. I will drag it and I will drop it here. Just drag it and drop it here. Let's go to XML. It's easier, very easy. So I'll simply say text view, text view. Now for now, just simply wrap content as width and height, and in text, just simply say hello. What? Okay, you can drag and drop also. We'll see that also later on. For now, you can see that hello world is there. I'll just zoom. Okay, you can see hello world is there. Okay, also if you want some button here, so just drag it and drop it. I don't know why this drag and drop function is not working. I guess there is some exception. Okay, no problem. You can see that we have something called as hello world there. Okay, so let's execute this application and let's see that what we are getting in output. So click on, this is the run button, so click on run. It will build, it will ask like which emulator we want to select. So I have my default emulator also, I have my Genymotion also. I will click on my phone API 21, which is nothing but default API, default emulator provided by Android. So I just clicked on it and I will wait for some time. It will what is a it will call that emulator, it will execute that emulator, and it will install my first application in that, and it will execute that application. Okay, so for the timing, just I am going to pause the video and then we will continue. Okay.